How to log in into Liverpool Council tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today on this tutorial video, I will teach you guys how to log in into your Liverpool Council tax account. It is a quite easy and simple process, so let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser that is available on your device. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now on the search bar, search for Liverpool Council tax login. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different websites and links like this will be appeared on your screen. From these different websites, click on the second one that says sign in to your account. Wait for a while and you will be directed to this page right here. Scroll down and here you can see if you already have an account, enter your details option. So simply enter all of your personal details like email and passport and you can easily log in into your account. And in case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on I have forgotten my password option. So simply enter your valid email and password and tap on sign into my council option. And with that, you are good to go. In this very simple and easy way, you can log in into your account. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel.